Hi class, I'd like to welcome you to Module 1. During Module 1 you're going to learn about careers, the ATD competency model, and adult learning theory. So what I'd like to do here is give you a brief overview of what's ahead in Module 1. First thing I want to direct you to is the activities sheet. If you click on this link, it will take you to a document that describes everything that you need to do during Module 1. I encourage you to print this document out and use it as a checklist, checking off each item as you have it finished. If you scroll down, you'll see that the module activity page contains your readings, brief descriptions of your assignments, and also some optional activities. If you complete assignments and you'd like more information or more challenge, here are some other things that you can do. So back to the module section. Each module contains information regarding 2 weeks of lessons and assignments. So each module begins on Monday morning and ends 2 weeks later on Sunday night. So you'll want to click on the links here, the file folders, that contain links and resources to information in our course site that you'll need for each assignment. So here's a link to post to our class forum. And here you'll see that there are a number of forums pertaining to Module 1 that you'll be posting to. Try to post to forums during week 1 and then follow up and carry on a discussion within the forums during week 2. Here's a link to your blog post assignment, and this involves briefly reading a blog article in our RU training blog and adding a comment to the blog and then cutting and pasting your comment to this box. And this assignment will be graded and is part of your final grade. Next is the Careers and Training and Development assignment. So you'll click on this link and it takes you to our assignment section. Where you can learn about the assignment and then submit it to the gradebook when you have it completed. So if you click on this link, Module 1 Careers and Training and Development assignment, it takes you to this document, which explains in detail everything that you need to know to complete this assignment. Please note that at the bottom there is a brief checklist, and you'll want to go through and make sure that you've addressed each item in the checklist before you submit your assignment. And your assignment will be both posted to the class forum to share with your classmates and then also submitted to the gradebook using the link. So here's the link to submit to the gradebook. You'll click on here, add your file, and click on the submit button, and you've submitted the assignment to the gradebook. So back to the module, and then you also have a quiz at the end of week 1 that will test your knowledge of the ATD competency model. And please note that you have, for the first module, you can take this quiz as many times as you'd like. But in future modules, you'll have 2 chances to complete the quiz. So in future modules, if you take the quiz the first time and you're not happy with your score, you can take it a second time to improve it. But during Module 1, since it's your first experience with the quizzes, you can take them as many times as you'd like. So week 2 contains similar information and links, so you'll click on this too. And please note that you don't have to only do week 1 assignments during week 1. If you finish them up early and you want to move ahead to week 2, please feel free to do this. The assignments aren't dated, but they must be completed during the 2-week module. But it's up to you when you complete the assignments during those 2 weeks. So I hope you have a great Module 1. Please be sure to post any questions you have in our FAQ forum, or please feel free to also email me directly. Thank you.